Hello and welcome to another video where we dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI. Today, we're exploring an insightful article from Fox News discussing the ongoing competition between the United States and China for AI dominance and the potential impact this has on our future. The Fox News piece highlights how both the US and China are heavily investing in AI technology. But a key question arises here: who's leading the race, and who will ultimately shape free speech and power in modern society? These are weighty considerations, with implications that will echo across the globe, potentially shaping the societal fabric of the 21st century. Dr. Michael Capps, the CEO of Diveplane, paints an intense picture, likening the competition between these two superpowers to a race that will dictate the future of humanity. The Chinese government, military, and tech sector are all striving in unison to win, while the US appears less unified in its approach, with its government and military not investing as much as their Chinese counterparts. This part of the report raises an interesting point. As countries strive to assert dominance over each other in the AI landscape, it forces us to ponder, is AI no longer just about technological advancement, but also a tool for geopolitical one-upmanship? A parallel is drawn by author Gordon Chang between the current AI race and the 21st century space race, underlining the potential for AI development to empower economies, militaries, and societies. It's more than just tech. It's about the comprehensive progress of nations. However, Dr. Capps warns about the possible lapse by the US, saying that without a dramatic change, China is poised to take the lead. This raises another question. Does the United States need to rethink its strategy? Should there be a more robust governmental and military involvement to secure a position in the AI race? Contrasting these views, Nick McKinley, founder of Deliver Fund, puts forth an intriguing perspective. He emphasizes that the US, with its rich pool of human talent, dominates in AI. He implies that innovation, not mere replication, which he suggests is China's forte, is the key to AI supremacy. Now, this draws attention to an essential aspect of AI development: human capital. It brings to light the necessity of fostering creativity and innovation, rather than just focusing on technical abilities. James Cherniowski, a senior policy analyst, underlines the gravity of this space race for AI dominance. The first to cross the finish line gets the advantage of dictating the controls of this new technological age, a position currently held by the US, but not guaranteed. Interestingly, the report brings attention to the importance of chips, the literal building blocks of AI. It points out that the world's most sophisticated chips are manufactured by Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, and Samsung in South Korea, both allies of the US, but also having business ties with China. This fact puts the US in a position where it may need to exert geopolitical influence to ensure AI advancement. From this standpoint, the Biden administration's move to restrict the sale of advanced chips to China last year appears more significant. But with China seeking workarounds, this development calls attention to the dynamic and ever-evolving nature of this competition. The article concludes with an interesting distinction made by Christopher Alexander, CCO of Liberty Blockchain. He points out that unlike the space race, this AI race has a significant private sector component, underscoring the diverse factors at play. Moreover, it's worth noting how political sensitivities could potentially slow down AI rollouts, as stated by Chang regarding China's approach. This situation reflects the delicate balancing act between technological progress and governance, underlining the complexities of this ongoing AI race.